Hi, how are you doing there? This is Prince Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Today we want to look into the guarantee system to make over $100 daily trading boom and crash. Yes, the system that guarantee boom and crash. Today is Sunday, right? So, and boom and crash is an synthetic indices that you can trade Sunday 247 electronic 247. No news that affects it, and can get it through binary.com. I believe a lot of people knows of this trade. I mean this PS has trading system. About this trading system called boom and crash. And you need some things, because I don't want this video to be too long. You need some things if you want to start trading boom and crash. First thing that you need you need capital of $50 to $100 for you to be using this guarantee system to make $100 daily. Okay, you need capital of $50 to $100. Okay, you can form $50 or preferably $100. Then you need computer and internet connection. You need to computer. Some people will be calling you, sir, can I install the system on my phone? Can I do this? No, there are some systems that you can trade on phone, but this system that Adeyemi is talking about is not what you can install on your phone. You're going to install it on your computer. You use it through MT5 MetaTrader 5. Okay, so you need $50 to $100 capital. Then you need computer, PC, either laptop, either desktop, and internet connection. Then you need something else that cannot fail you. You need a system or strategy that cannot fail you. If you know that you want to be making money from boom and crash every day, you also need a system that cannot fail you. You can have a good indicator. Then good indicator is a system, and then you can also learn. You can also try to acquire price action analysis knowledge. Okay, you can acquire that as well. So doing this, you are good to go. You are good to go. So now, if you have $50 to $100 to start this business today, if you have computer and internet connection right now to do this business, I congratulate you, because I want to introduce to you a perfect system that can never fail you to make over $100 a day. Yes. So now this is the system called. This system is, and you can see we have arrow on the chart. Excuse me. And we have green, we have blue. But on boom, everybody knows that on boom, except if you are trading spike, on boom you are to trade buy signals. I mean sell signals rather. On boom, boom it's boom it up. Okay, that is a spike. But you are to trade sell signals. Okay, you are to trade sell signals. And on crash, you are to trade buy signals. You are to trade buy signal. The trade and the trend that is going uptrend. That's what you are to trade on crash, because the crash means their system will be crashing it down. So when some people are on buy, when crash happen, spike, it will take all their profit away and also their capital. So it turn their capital to zero. It will turn their capital to zero. All right. Now, for this system that I want to introduce to you today, called a correction. After the spike, corrections happen. After the spike, correction, like this is correction, this is spike. Okay, these are the correction. The normal candle are correction. All right, like these are the spike, these are the correction. All right, now today I was able to see two signal. You know, today is Sunday, so I will busy somehow doing some things at home. Okay, so there is no, I do not have much time to say with, but I just try to create this little time to make this video for those who will need this. Okay. So now this arrow that you are looking at, okay, is as a price action arrow that analyze the market before it appears. So it doesn't just appear, we are still going to look into it very well. And on crash, we are looking at, we are trading the green arrow here on crash. Then on boom, we have to trade red arrow. Okay, we have to trade red arrow. So today I was able to catch two, one on crash 500 and one on crash 1000. We will see them here. Okay, and do this is the second one here. All right, so now, and I was able to catch just two, but it appear, this arrow appear from the beginning of the candle, and as you can see, we are in on 5-minute time frame, and we have to trade just only one candle. So I pray that once you appear as we are recording this video, so we have to trade just only one candle. Okay, once it appear, you enter immediately. The end of 5 minutes, that candle is about to close in 5 minutes, then you close your trade. Then you close your trade. And why did I said you can make $100 a day? Because with this system, if you have $50 to $100, you are allowed to use standard 5 lot size. Yes, standard 5 lot size. You are allowed to use standard 5 lot size. Okay, so now, and on this boom, standard 5 lot size, within 5 minutes can give you $25. Okay, it can give you $25 standard 5 lot size for 5 minutes, just with that one candle. Once it's closed, it will give you $25. So all you need to do is just to trade 4 candles in a day. Just 4 candles is enough for you to trade in a day, because the fact here is that this candle doesn't just come out in a day. It come out like maybe 15. It gives like 15 signals to our own, to our own direction, because remember, on this crash, this red that came out on this crash, we cannot trade it. We are expecting only buy signal, and on boom we are expecting only sell signal. So like this one, we cannot trade. I don't have any business with that. I just trade only sell signal. All right, so now what happened is that it doesn't just come out. Now let's count, and it does not repaint, it does not backpaint, it does not lag, and you know, the arrow is just perfect. Okay, it's just perfect, but I don't want to call it 100%. All right, so now let's see little but let's just move back and see little about it. You see this red arrow, this boom, so I'm expecting red sell, right? So this is red, look, another red, that same candle, current candle or under the arrow is what we are trading. You can see, and it doesn't disappear. No, it doesn't disappear. So let's check another one. I pray that one should just come out. Let's check here. Right, so red one, red color, we're expecting red color. So once it just appear, just enter at the beginning of the candle, it appear, then enter the trade, okay, enter the trade. Another one, here, so we're expecting green. You can see I catch this one today. And you can see I enter here and I immediately this one want to open, then I close the trade. Okay, though I saw it late, but at least I think it remained 2 minutes and I still caught. This is boom, I mean crash 500, and I still caught how much, because I'm using standard 10 lot size, and I still caught like $34. Okay, still caught $34. So green, so we are looking at green because this is crash, so expecting buy signal, just only buy. So you can see that it doesn't just come out, but we see how many that come out today. We want to check how many that come out today. Oh, guys, you can see this one. So let me just write this one small. Okay, this is buy. You can see that's why we're talking at the end. No, that it has come out, because that's the only thing we have been trying to do. What is it called? Alert. Well, it doesn't have any alert. That is the only issue. I'm still talking to the programmer if you can just help, so that, because I make sure that I'm with it and open all the 4 windows like that. So I'm still talking to the guy anyway. I pray that God should help him to help us. So you can see this trade is already in money. You can see it's already in 5.5, so you can sleep if you like. You can sleep. It has come up. In fact, I am very happy. So painful. Suppose that I have checked it earlier. I'm on this pair. I'm supposed to write that 5 minutes, okay? Because I've been explaining on other. Well, no problem. I will just manage this little. So this is exactly how it works. I'm very happy that at least one come out. So you can use standard 5 lot size. All right, standard 5 lot size. So it's counting down. It's 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. And you can see, for the fact that it remain less than 2 minutes, I still catch some things. Okay, so that is it. Then you close it. All right, so so you can see I still catch $14.69. okay, all right. So exactly how it works, and this is boom. So we are looking at green, well, let's just check. That is how it works, so I don't want to waste your time here. So let's check how many signal we have so far today. So today started with from this place, and today this is crash, and we're creating buy, just only buy signal. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the last one for us today. So 4. So this is another crash 500. So today started from this line, and 1. We are looking at green arrow. 1, 2 so far, making 6, and all the 6 1. And on boom we are expecting red. Okay, we are trading red on boom. So and today started from here. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 so far. That is 10 so far today. And let's check here how many signal do we have today so far today. So we are looking at red as well. So this is 1, 2. So all together are now 12 signals so far, and all ones. Okay, so now for example, now let's say you were able to catch, for example, let's say you were able to catch all, and per one is 25 multiplied by 12. Well, that is $300. Okay, suppose that you are able to do that, and in a day at least 15 do come up. It doesn't just come out. All right, so that is how this powerful system works. It's very powerful, very powerful, and that is just how it works. So news doesn't affect it, nothing. All right, so once this is a simple system that you can lay your hands on to make some profit. Okay, so so that is the system that you can make use of, and to profit minimum over $100 daily trading boom and crash. And if you want to get this system, how much do you think you can give it out? $1,000? No. $750? It's worth it, but no. $500? No, because it's too much. All right, okay, let's say give it out for $250. Okay, give it out for $250. That one is perfect, because the fact is that within 2 days, first 2 days, you get your money back. The money that you used to buy, you get it back. Okay, you get it back. All right, so you give it out for $250. But because of this issue of lockdown or no lockdown, I want to do something crazy for just 5 people. Okay, the first 5 people that will lay their hands on this powerful tool, so they get it at just $110. Okay, is that not massive? So which is 40,000 naira. Okay, just 40,000. So if you want to get it, just check this description, email address there. Okay, so send me a message, we send you how you can get it, and just make sure that between 1 to 5 people you get it at 110. Okay, which is 40,000 naira. So I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Bye bye.